It's day 1 in Goa. Let's get ready with me. I slept for 3 hours. I'm exhausted, but I'm in Goa, so I'm gonna go out. Let's change. This is the t-shirt and this is the skirt I'm wearing. Let's quickly get ready. I am moisturizer by Cetaphil. Balm. I'm like sleepless. On my cheek is a blush. I think do the job. This is the body lotion. My favorite watch that I'm gonna wear. Some body mist. I'm ready. This is how it is looking. I'll wear my white Crocs. Pretty decent for day 1. Yeah, that's it.